Hi everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. Today I want to show you Google Colaboratory, that is an essential tool if you are a researcher or if you want to program in Python or also in other codes. It is completely free and provided by Google, so you don't need to install, for example, Anaconda or other software, because it's completely online and also on cloud, so you can do changes also with other people on the same project. So you can work as the title of this Google tool, collaborating with others. And as I said, is from Google, so if you search on Google Colaboratory, you can just click here, and then a window like this one will open. In this window there is an intro, so Google will tell you what is Google Colaboratory. Of course you'll have this text in your language, and in translating it, this Google Colaboratory is especially suggested for Python programming, but as I said before, you can use Google Colaboratory also for other stuff. And this is an example of Python code, so you can, as you see, you can import also libraries, so pandas, numpy, everything works fine on Google Colaboratory, and you can also install other contents. You can do whatever you want. And it is also one of the problems of Python for your machine is that sometimes you must run a lot of data, so your computer may be slow, but Google Colaboratory uses the GPU, so the GPU is, for example, for gaming, so you won't have problem about the power of the machine. To open a project, you just need to click in here and open a new notebook, and as you can see, it is loading, and that's it. Here I can put my Python code. For example, in this case I import pandas as PD, and then I can run it, and as you can see, the untitled Python file is working, and Google Colaboratory is telling me how much RAM is using and how much about the disk is using, and this first row has been run, and all the changes are saved in my drive. As you can see, this is my drive, and I can change the title, and I will call it test. Okay, so I don't need to save it because, as I said, everything is already saved on your drive. And as all the other Google contents, for example Google Docs, Google Sheets, I can comment, I can share it, I can modify other settings. I can also add text, because, for example, I want to put a title, and here I put title, for example, and I can also insert snippets, so it is very complete, and to me is the best tool you can find, especially because it's completely free, and you can also add extensions, so you can do so many things. And that's it, I think. If you have some questions about Google Colaboratory, feel free to comment. This is of course an overview and some advices about using it, and as I said, I recommend you if you are trying to do data analysis or studying Python or using it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to leave a like, is very important to me. And until next video, bye bye.